Hey guys, it's Roscoe, and on Space Coast today I went to the Bromley Antiques Market yesterday, as I had yesterday and today off for my birthday, and I picked up several airliners. Two of them are worthy of their own videos. The others I will do as a group video, but the first one that I wanted to present to you separately is this. A British Caledonian DC-10. This is absolutely fantastic, because I've wanted one of these faces. I had a model one when I was a child, like an Airfix kit that I loved. Long gone now, of course. But yes, this is absolutely fantastic. There you just see underneath, very nice detailing. And from the top, you can see that the logo is completely in line with each other, which is very nice. Then we'll just turn it around. Such beautiful colours on the decal. I mean, when British Air Tours became Caledonian Airways, it was a nice update of the livery, with the all blue tail and the blue lower fuselage and the yellow stripe that replaced the red speed ring on British Airways. But yes, this is a beautiful plane. Only ever flew on the DC-10 once, Lake Airways from Fort Lauderdale to London Gatwick, and it was lovely. See the front. Very nice detailing that you see there. Back. So yeah, I was very happy to acquire this, and the detail level on this is great. It really is, and it's in such good condition as well. £2 I paid for this. All of the planes that I picked up yesterday were £2 each, apart from one which was £1, and that's the Soviet Space Shuttle Buran, a very small one. I'll show that to you later. But yes, this British Caledonian DC-10 and Soviet, it's got the B-Cal on the engines, the Lion Rampart on the tail, and of course the airline name with the Union flag on the upper fuselage, and the beautiful blue and gold. Yes, very, very nice. Like I say, very happy to pick this up. So yes, that is one of the planes that I acquired. Ooh, bring another one up, I think. One of the planes I acquired yesterday, but definitely one of the best ones, absolutely. So there you go, guys. I've acquired a British Caledonian DC-10. Please subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this content. Leave me a comment or suggestion for a upcoming topic you'd like to see discussed, or like the video.